Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all how to make this pretty tailor's hem. This video will also show you how to make different sizes of tailor's hem for different bust sizes. If this is what you're interested in, please stick around and let's get started. So for this tutorial, we'll be using the length and the width. To get the length, you measure half of your bust band measurement plus half inch for allowance. Mine is 4.5. And for the width, you measure your length minus half inches. Mine is 4 inches. So you mark them up on your piece of paper or fabric and join them up to a square. Next, you come to the top of your square and mark the midpoints and connect it to both edges of the down part of your square to form a triangle. After that, you would also come to the down part of your square, locate the midpoint and mark half inches below the midpoint of the down part of your square and connect it to both edges of the down part of your square. You are going to see it right now. So this is my formed triangle and this is the curve that I got while connecting the half inch from the below to both edges. After that, I will also form a curve on both sides of the triangle by connecting both edges together, just like how I'm doing it right now. Next, we're going to form a circle for the base. To get the circle, I used my length measurements divided by 2 as a radius to cut out the circle. And I will also go ahead and cut out my formed triangle. So here I'm going to cut 8 pieces of the triangle and 2 pieces for the circle. So these are my 2 pieces and these are my 8 pieces. Next, we're going to bring 2 pieces each of our 8 pieces and sew them up together. After that, we'll bring 2 pieces each of the joined pieces and sew them up together. So this is the result of the joining. As you can see, it's forming in shape already. Next, we are going to bring our cutout circle and sew it up to this cup-like shape to stand as a base. We are going to sew it all around and leave a little bit of space just for the contents. So I did that to both of the cups and this is my result. So now it's time to fill in the cup. You can use scrap fabrics and you can use sawdust. Whichever one you have is fine. So now we're just going to fill in this cup until it is extremely tight with no space left. Sure to keep filling if your arm still feels a little bit loose. And when you are satisfied with the tightness, it's time to close it up. So we're going to close this up with a needle and thread because the space remaining is very small, and again the shape of the bust hem won't be able to fit under a sewing machine. So this is the result after sewing it up. Next, I'm going to bring the second cover that I made and use it to cover up the hem that I created. This is just to give the hem more hold. And I'm going to seal it up as well with a needle and thread. So this is my result after sewing. You can see how nice and neat it looks. You can see how flat the base is and how round the top is. I went ahead to make 2 just for more ease while sewing. So this is it for TAILOR'S tutorial. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, please comment. And please subscribe just to support me to bring more of these videos to you guys. Thank you.